Small Bird and a Golden Crown. Moral story. Once in a forest there was a small bird who loved singing. One day a big bird heard small bird singing. Big bird was jealous and told small bird, "Stop singing, you are too small and your voice is very bad." The small bird felt sad but don't stop singing. She practiced every day and her voice grew better day by day. Few days later, a king was passing by the forest. He heard small bird beautiful song and very impressed. He gave the small bird a beautiful golden crown. The moral of the story is believe in yourself.